Okay, I got a small wind turbine USB charger here I just built, and I'm going to show you how I built it, and I'm going to give you a demo. And this unit's really simple. I'm inside the house, so I'll have to spin this with my finger. But alright, so we'll start with the bottom and go right up. All salvage parts. Bottom this is a heat sink off the back of a industrial lamp, and I got a bracket bolted through to it. This just gives it a sturdy base because it's got to be in the wind, okay? And next I have the salvaged motor. This motor is out of a boot dryer of all things, and you can use a lot of different motors as wind turbine motors. Basically you just run them in reverse, and almost any motor with magnets in it will work. Next I got the rotor blades. This is an old fan blade, aluminum, off a scrapped fan, and I've made custom fins here. This was all straight, of course, and I cut these with snips and bent them, making these cups like so to catch the wind, like that. And then this was the wrong size to mount to the shaft of the motor. Let's see if I'll show you in here. So I've used a little custom part that I've epoxied on to make the linkage between the shaft and the motor, and I used JB Weld to put it all together, and it's pretty strong. And the power output goes from the leads in the motor right to a 110 cord, also salvaged, and that's my power output. And what's nice about that is anything small that you can plug in with appropriate voltage, you'll be able to charge or run off this thing. Just plug it right in. And like your little USB for charger for your phone, or small lamps, whatever. And there you go. And it's really cool and works really well. I was surprised. And I'm going to get my multimeter here, and I'll give you a demo. So I got my meter hooked up right to a 110 plug, and it's not hooked up. Let me wire this really quickly. Okay, so it's wired right to the leads on my multimeter, and let's give it a demo. Let's start doing an artificial spin. Give you a close-up of my meter. There, that's me spinning it. And you can see she's putting out pretty good just from little spins. Now you can imagine in a stiff wind, the voltage this will put out. And I got my meter set low too. Let's change it a little bit. There you go. And she's putting out pretty good there. Now let's go over to low DC. She's putting out pretty good there. Let's go to low AC. And she's putting out pretty good there. And that's just with me barely spinning it. And this little prototype, this is nothing. This is like a toy, but it shows you the potential here. And you could build a really big one with the appropriate motor. And there's a lot of appropriate motors out there. I hope this inspires you. I hope you enjoy my channel. Coming soon will be more LED flashlight conversions, and the big full video on the snowblower homemade headlights, which has been completed, coming soon. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.